Hey everyone, welcome to Art Tech. So what I've got here is my 2018 BMW R1200RT, and in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how to remove this screw in order to install this extension rod. Now the point of this extension rod is I can go ahead and mount something like this tripod mount onto it, and now I've got another mounting point right here. For instance, if I don't want to use my Galaxy Fold phone and I want to use a standard phone, I can always just mount this, or I can mount a different mount on here that can use a RAM ball mount, and then I can just use a RAM extension arm and use that for my other phone instead. Or I can go ahead and screw my selfie stick onto here and I can put my camera on the selfie stick. But that's the whole point of me wanting to install this extension bar here. Now, as with most of the bolts on the R1200RT, this is going to be a star pattern, so you are going to need one here, and this one is a fairly large one. This is a T50, and on this one you're going to need a hex key for this one, and also a pretty large one as well. So let's go ahead and get started by removing this bar end, and be aware this screw is what holds all of this in, so make sure you hold on to everything so when you unscrew it, this doesn't get loose too much. Okay. Alright, and as you can see, they did use Loctite on here, so we will put more Loctite on the replacement. So don't forget that, because you don't want it backing out. Okay, and as I said, you are going to need a hex to install this one, and this appears to be an 8mm hex. So you need a T50 to remove it, and an 8mm hex to put it back in. I got a little bit of Loctite on here. Alright, that's actually pretty tight to begin with. Okay, as you can see, it really doesn't stick out that far. I mean, my mount is not that big either, so it would just basically just rest right here. It's just big enough to get some kind of a bar mount on here. And as I mentioned, I'm going to put one here, and I'm going to go ahead and put one right here as well. Here they are both installed, and to be honest with you, I kind of like having two on here because it looks more symmetrical. Alright, this was the install of the extension rods on a 2018 BMW R1200RT. If you guys have any questions about these extension rods, please feel free to ask me in the comments below, and I will try to answer you to the best of my abilities. In the meantime, I hope you guys have a great day, and y'all stay safe out there.